Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can check your MemeFi Airdrop eligibility on your OKX wallet. OKX wallet is now in collaboration with MemeFi to verify if you're eligible to claim your MemeFi tokens. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to check if you're qualified for the MemeFi Airdrop, and it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your OKX wallet. So guys, now I can see here's my OKX wallet, here's the home page. So the next step now you have to take now is to scroll through that slider. You can see that slider right there, the arrow is pointing at it. You can see I can slide through it. You can see that I'm sliding through it. So you have to slide to the point where you're going to see check your MemeFi Airdrop. You can see it right there, check your MemeFi Airdrop eligibility. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, what you have to do next is to tap on where you can see check. You can see where it is written check, the arrow is pointing at it. So what you have to do next is to tap on check. So let me tap on check. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Wow guys, can see the next step. Can see what's written there, MemeFi Airdrop Checker. OKX wallet is partnering with MemeFi to verify if you're eligible to claim MemeFi tokens. You can see the snapshot time is by November 15th at 12 p.m. So guys, now you're supposed to see the number of tokens, the number of MemeFi coin that you've actually mined on the MemeFi platform, and also you're supposed to see the number of transactions you've done, the ton transaction you've done, and also the amount of Telegram stars that you've actually bought on the MemeFi mining platform. But I can't find it here because I've not actually connected my OKX wallet to my Telegram account. If you look closely down there, you're going to see where it is written connect Telegram. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. By tapping on it now, you'll be able to connect your OKX wallet to your Telegram account, to your MemeFi Telegram mining account. And also guys, once the snapshot has been taken, you're going to see the amount of MemeFi token that has been allocated to you at that place where the arrow is pointing, and also you're going to see the allocation that is given to you from other platforms. You can see it right there. So guys, what I will do now is to show you guys how you can connect your OKX wallet to your Telegram. So let me tap on where it is written connect Telegram. Let me tap on it real quick. I want to show you guys how I can see it so that I can be able to see all of what I said. So guys, now I can see it's loading. So guys, now I can see the next step. Can see what's written there, continue with Telegram. Dive into OKX wallet, sign up or log in with Telegram now. So guys, what I have to do now is to tap on continue. You can see down there, so let me tap on it. Wow guys, can see the next step. Can see what's written there, log in to use Telegram account with OKX wallet. Please enter your phone number in the international format and we will send you a confirmation message to your account via Telegram. So guys, what you have to do now is to enter your phone number and make sure that this country code right here, you can see my country code is +324, that's for Nigeria. Make sure you select your country code, and what you have to do next now is to input your number, input your phone number by removing the first digit. Make sure you don't add the first digit. So guys, let me go ahead now to input it. So guys, now I can see I've inputted my phone number. So what I have to do right away now is to tap on where I can see next. You can see where it is written next on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, can see what's written there now. We have just sent you a message. Please confirm access via Telegram. So guys, what I will do now is to go over to my Telegram account to see the message that has been sent to me from OKX. So guys, let me go now. Let me go back. Let me just minimize so that we'll go over to my Telegram account. Let me minimize real quick. Then what I will do now is to go over to my Telegram account. So guys, now you can see here's my Telegram account. So what I have to do next now is to look for the message that Telegram have sent to me. I have to accept it. So guys, let me scroll upwards now. So guys, now you can see where the arrow is pointing at. Telegram has actually sent me a message. So what I will do now is to tap on it now to see the message. So let me tap on it real quick. So guys, now you can see now, let me scroll upwards to see the latest message that Telegram sent me. So guys, now you can see it right there. You can see it. Let me get to read it out. Chukwemeka, we just received a request to log in on www.okx.com with your Telegram account. To authorize this request, use the confirm button below. So guys, you can see what's written there. If you didn't request this, use the decline button to ignore this message. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see confirm. You can see there on the right hand side. By tapping on confirm, OKX wallet will be able to connect with your Telegram account. So guys, let me tap on confirm real quick. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me do that right away. Wow guys, cannot see it, it's written accepted. You can see now I've accepted it. So what I will do right away now is to minimize and go back to my OKX wallet. So let me tap on my OKX wallet. You can see my OKX wallet is now opening. So guys, now you can see what's written here now. This website will receive your name, username and profile picture. You are logged in as Chukwemeka Emmanuel. So guys, what I have to do right away now is to tap on accept. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on accept real quick. Wow guys, can see those things I talked about are now showing. You can see the number of MemeFi coin that I've actually mined. You can see it right there. You can see the number of spins that I have. I have 50 spins. You can see my MemeFi premium. I don't have MemeFi premium yet. You can see turn transaction. I've not done any turn transaction yet. And also my Telegram stars. I've not done any Telegram stars. I've not bought any Telegram stars. So if you've done any turn transaction or MemeFi premium or Telegram stars, you're going to find it right here. So guys, on the 15th of November, once the snapshot has been taken, you're going to see your allocation right here. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to check your eligibility on the OKX wallet. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.